kilometres, Sydney Harbour Bridge.
In 3 kilometres, use the right 2 lanes to take the exit towards City South Darling Harbour.
Wow. So breakfast in the Golden Arches on the way to Queensland. After leaving Sydney, we jumped on a plane and flew about 2.5 hours north to Cairns, to the tropical northern Queensland. On our way to the apartment, we soon realised that everything in northern Queensland wanted to kill you. You walked too close to the grass verge, there were snakes wanting to kill you. You walk down to the beach, salty crocodiles, sharks, jellyfish wanting to kill you. And you get back to the apartment, and walking up the steps to go into the apartment, there are millipedes and spiders wanting to kill you. But please, don't let this put you off visiting Queensland. What a fantastic place. I would go as far as to say that is probably the best place I have ever been to. Badaji Jungle Canopy and the Karanda National Park. This area now famous for "I'm a celebrity, get me out of here." Freshwater crocodiles, jungle trails, with spectacular views of the canopy and the barren falls. There is so much wildlife in the rainforest that at times it's deafening. Although elusive. The barren falls in the Barren Gorge. The rainforest is home to the Jabbergay Aboriginal people who lived here for over 10,000 years. The rainforests in Queensland are 50 million years older than the rainforests in the Amazon. They are the oldest rainforests on the planet. We came across this crashed aeroplane in the forest, and after a little bit of research we found that it was originally named Geronimo by the US Air Force, and it was then renamed Cunningham and went into service with Australian Airlines in 1946. Australian Airlines is now called Qantas. And meet Ivy, one of the park's koalas. Unfortunately, Ivy did a little whoopsie before I had a cuddle with her, and its keeper had to wipe its bottom with a wet wipe. Now, beer o'clock, I think.